Hello guys, and welcome to this video at Lazi-low collectables. This is just a one-off video. I've seen people making videos about bread, and I've been doing bread for 4 years roughly, and I was thinking I'll share with you how do I do my bread. So if you're interested, please follow me in this video, and I will show you how do I do my bread. We don't buy bread anymore in the supermarket. This is really simple, quite cheap as well, and tastes a lot better than the bread from the shop. So I have 800 grams of flour here, which is ready already. I've got vinegar, olive oil, one small bag, 7 grams of yeast, dry yeast, which I will mix into the water, warm water. I've got salt, and if you want to put cumin, you can put the powder, or you can put the whole one. You don't have to put it in, but I like it. It tastes better. So I'm going to put the phone on the tripod, and I will start doing the bread. Okay, so let's start with the salt. I normally put 2 teaspoons of salt. So that's one. And another one, and I put a little bit more. Here we go. A little bit cumin, if you want to put. You don't have to. You can put anything else really. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or whatever you prefer. And I've got the mug here. I'm going to put the dry seeds, yeast, and mix it. And I will also add a little bit sugar. You need sugar for the yeast to work. So I'll put a little bit sugar in, and I will mix it, and I will let it grow. And when it starts foaming up, that means it's ready. So I will leave that on the side. I add a little bit olive oil, not too much, just a little bit. That's it. And a drop of vinegar. That's it. So that's all done. And now we're gonna wait for the yeast to grow, and I'll be back. So here we go, it's grown. You see it's foamy. So I'll put that in, and I get some water ready if I will need more, and I will start mixing it with the yeast. So this is how it looks after about 3-4 minutes. So it's pretty much done. And I'm going to let it rest for at least an hour. And I will show you what I do next when I check after an hour. So that's all done for now. And I'll be back in an hour. I forgot to talk. So yeah, after 1 hour, it was resting for an hour. I do the, the dough again, and I will leave it for another hour before I will make the foam. So just do it again. You know, get all the air bubbles out, and it will be good after another hour. Okay, so as you can see, the bread grown up nicely. So we'll put that. I put some flour already, and I'm going to form the bread now. So I'll make it flat a little bit. I've done it twice, so 2 hours pass. Don't worry guys, it's gonna be done soon. And if you made it this far, thank you, and I hope you will enjoy if you do yours. So I normally fold half, and then I fold the other half as well. There's a lot of way you can do this. This is how I do. I make it a little bit longer, and then I fold that piece, and then I fold this piece, so you got like a nice square something, and I roll a little bit, and here I make them grow together, because it's still gonna grow when I put into the pan. So it looks like a big Italian pasta filled with something. So I roll a little bit to make it more round, and tuck it in here, tuck it in here. So see, you got like a piece of brick, and yeah, and you can do any form you want. You see, I go a little bit out, so I make it a little bit longer. So as I say, you can do whatever you want. I put these together because otherwise they open too much. But it's gonna be lovely. This is how I do it. Anyway, so that's, I think it's done. Bit more. There we go. So we got a nice brick, and I use a sharp knife. I normally use the this little cheese knife, which is really sharp, and I do 2 cross on the top, and I will put into the pan. So I pick up, I will show you, because so I put into that pan with a baking paper, and I've got the lid. I put the lid on, and I will turn the oven on 200. This is an electric oven, and I put lower and higher grill, so that one, and I wait till it will come up, I mean till this disappears, and I will put 45, actually not this one, how to remove that, no, I put this one 45. It will go down, but when I will put that in, I will put it back to 45. So I'll wait till that disappears. It means it's inside is 200 degrees. So the oven is now ready. So I have this little spray bottle, and I'm going to spray the bread. You need moisture, and I also spray inside the lid, and then I close this, and I will put this into the oven. Okay, I'm going to put the bread in. I put down the grill, so this is actually in the middle, and it's in 45 minutes. Well, it's gonna go down to 45 in a minute. Let's go down to 45. Here we go. And it's gonna start. It's still not 200, but it's okay. It's been 10 minutes nearly. So now it's 45 minutes, so I will check in about half an hour. So we are up to 35 minutes now nearly. So I think in about 2 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid, and I'll let it get brown, nice and brown, in about 10 minutes. Bread is ready, so I'm going to take it out. But it's really, really hot. This pan is really hot, so I need to be really careful. Ta-da! That's the bread. So I switch off the oven, and I will take the bread out from that. I'll put it on a wooden board, and I will show you the end result. So here we go, guys. The bread is ready, and I'll show you how does it look. It's a bit hot. I want to show you the bottom. You can see it's nice and it's really soft. Can you hear? The last thing I do is, again, I use the spray bottle and just spray a little bit and it will start cracking. I will cut this bread up in a minute and I will show you how does it look, but I hope you do like the bread. I think it looks really nice and it smells lovely. If we listen carefully, we can actually hear the bread cracking. So the bread is ready, and as you can see, it's really nice. It's lovely. I'm going to eat this. But look, that is gorgeous. It's crunchy, it's soft, and it smells fantastic, which unfortunately I cannot show you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. It's not gonna be a series of what I'm making, but because I do like making bread and I do like making food for ourselves rather than buying them in the supermarket. And I always show my breads to Martin and the other guys. So if you did enjoy this, guys, please share this video. Try to make your own bread if you want. And let me know in the comment section if you do it and how your bread turned out. So cheers, guys. Thank you for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you make the bread, enjoy it. I will definitely. So cheers, guys. Have a lovely day and enjoy yourself. Cheers and bye-bye.